heavy.
I see. What is it?
Thank you. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God, Joe, thank you so much.
Would you like to take her with you, sir?
This is, you're right, your gift tops everybody's.
Hi, I'm Riyaz and I'm the founder of 3D Crystal. I want to thank our customers for sending videos like those. You know, it's one thing for me to talk about my product and pitch it to you, but it's another when you see actual reactions of customers when they are first seeing their 3D Crystal. And, you know, it's not just that moment that they cherish the product. That's their initial reaction that you're seeing, but it's something that they cherish every time that they see it, right? Because it's a sentimental moment. In that case, it was a 3D image of her beloved mom. So again, thank you for sending that testimonial to us. Thank you to all our customers that have been sending us their feedback, and we encourage those that are seeing this for the first time to consider sending us a special moment that we can then make 3D and preserve for you forever. HD, best price guarantee from nowhere else. 3dcrystal.com.